First up is the Shark Steam and Scrub All-in-One, a powerhouse when it comes to effortless floor cleaning. Designed for homeowners who want a sparkling clean floor with minimal effort, this model combines steam and scrubbing technology to deliver deep cleaning with ease. The two scrubbing pads spin at high speeds, lifting stubborn dirt and grime with little effort. With 3 steam modes, including light, normal, and deep, it offers customized cleaning based on floor type and mess level. Lightweight and maneuverable, it glides smoothly across sealed hard floors, ensuring efficient and effortless cleaning. The machine-washable microfiber pads make maintenance simple, keeping floors spotless with minimal hassle. Pet owners looking for a steam cleaner that tackles both pet messes and everyday cleaning will love the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop. This versatile cleaner offers a detachable handheld steam cleaner, making it perfect for both floors and above-floor cleaning. The 2-in-1 functionality allows for multi-surface cleaning, from floors to furniture, countertops, and even pet areas. With multiple attachments such as a grout brush, flat scraper, and fabric steamer, it can handle a variety of cleaning tasks. The digital steam control lets you choose between low and high steam settings for optimal performance on different surfaces, while the pet-friendly design ensures that stains, hair, and dander are easily eliminated. For those seeking a high-powered, professional-grade steam cleaner, the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner is a top choice. Designed for deep sanitization and heavy-duty cleaning, this model is ideal for homes, offices, and even commercial spaces. Superheated steam reaches high temperatures for superior sanitation, eliminating bacteria, viruses, and allergens. The extra-large tank capacity provides up to 50 minutes of continuous steam, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without refilling. With versatile accessories including microfiber pads, extension tubes, and a window tool, it is perfect for all-around cleaning. If you're looking for a versatile steam cleaner with high pressure and extended runtime, the McCulloch MC1375 Canister Steam Cleaner is an excellent choice. If you're looking for a versatile steam cleaner with high pressure and extended runtime, the McCulloch MC1375 Canister Steam Cleaner is an excellent choice. With its powerful steam output and array of attachments, it handles everything from deep cleaning floors to tackling outdoor grime. The large water tank provides up to 90 minutes of continuous steam, perfect for extensive cleaning jobs. With an extra-long power cord and a 10-foot steam hose, it offers greater mobility and reach. DIY enthusiasts and homeowners who need a powerful, multi-use steam cleaner will appreciate the Wagner Spraytech Steam Cleaner. 18 accessories include attachments such as brushes, nozzles, and pads tackle floors, appliances, bathrooms, and more. The continuous steam mode allows for uninterrupted steam flow, making cleaning sessions faster and more efficient. For those seeking a fast-heating, high-performance steam cleaner, the Kärcher SC3 steam cleaner is a standout choice. Known for its rapid heating time and exceptional cleaning capabilities, it is perfect for busy households. With a fast heat-up time of just 30 seconds, it is one of the quickest steam cleaners available, allowing for immediate use with minimal wait time. The integrated descaling cartridge prevents mineral buildup, prolonging the lifespan of the unit and maintaining optimal performance. With multiple attachments including floor tools, a detail nozzle, round brushes, and extension tubes, it delivers comprehensive cleaning across various surfaces. And there you have it. Each of these 6 steam cleaners offers unique features designed to meet different cleaning needs. Whichever one you choose, you're guaranteed to enjoy the power of steam cleaning in 2025. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which steam cleaner caught your eye. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more great Shop Smart HQ product reviews.